Well, want a free house? Who doesn't, right?
Right.
But that's what's being offered in Kane County as preservationists race against a looming deadline to save a home with historic significance.
But as Morning Insider Tim McNicholas reports, there's always a catch.
Clock is ticking on Tollgate Road. This house, built in 1967 and designed by an architect who once lived there, needs an owner by April 1st.
Someone's got to save this house. This is an awesome house.
Elizabeth Finkelstein has been showcasing the property through her Cheap Old Houses Instagram page, which features historical homes for under $100,000, or in this case, $0.
Wow, for free.
It's being offered for free as long as you can move it. There's always a catch with these things.
You see, the house was designated as a historical landmark in 1996, but lost that status last year when the city of Elgin annexed the property. Now a new development is moving in, and the house must go by the end of this month.
Once it's gone, it's gone. And this house has so many amazing original features, the original layout, just all the great kind of yummy things that we love from that era.
Moving the home could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. And as the nonprofit Landmarks Illinois explains, that's not the only challenge.
Most likely it would need to be cut in half is the basic way to say it, so that two sections would be moved on two different flatbed trucks.
Nonetheless, Landmarks Illinois is fighting to save the house. They wrote this letter urging the city's Heritage Commission to help facilitate a possible preservation solution.
This is not a throwaway home. It has not only beautiful design, but from a materials perspective, it's a home that really could have been adapted to office use.
In Elgin, at either the end of a story or the start of a new chapter, Tim McNicholas, CBS 2 News.
Ooh, I love a cliffhanger. We got to stay tuned for what happens here. For more stories like this one, you can download our CBS Chicago app and look for the section called Morning Insiders.